The truth of the matter is, moving is hard.
It is hard, but fun.
It is. It's been a battle, to say the least.
Yeah.
So tonight, well, last night was our first night in our new apartment, which is a major win for us.
And we slept on this awesome blow-up mattress.
Air mattress.
It's queen size at least. You know?
It was so horribly uncomfortable that I slept on the floor.
She did, and I was like, it's a little firm, but you know, it's not that bad.
Except for the fact that it was that bad, because the way that the mattress is, it's like there's lumps and you either like, can we show them the lumps?
Yeah, it's pretty
Okay, so it's like they have these like ridges, and you either have to like sleep in the dead center, and that doesn't work for two people, or you like end up on the edge and roll off.
Yeah, but the edge can't hold your body weight and like pushes you off.
So that was an adventure, but I think ultimately we're excited.
Yeah, we got our place.
We got our place, and it's nice, and it's super spacious, and it's everything we wanted. The apartment complex has a gym. What else is that?
Has a rooftop.
Has two pools.
Two pools. Garage.
It has a really nice garage, and we live in a place where I don't have to get a car, and that makes me kind of excited.
Yeah.
And what else does it have?
In-unit washer dryer.
Oh, that was a major thing for us. Major.
That's nice.
Yes, that was one of our things, because the other complexes around this area, they end up charging you for like
$3 roughly per wash, like $2 for the wash, $1 for the dry, which is a bit much.
It's a bit much because I think we both try to practice like washing our clothes regularly.
And now we have reusable paper towels.
And ooh, show them the
You can wash them.
counterculture.
Oh.
So I was in Whole Foods the other day, and I found this brand called Counterculture was set up, and I like stopped and talked to the lady, and I was like, oh my god, what is this? So basically it's a probiotic and essential oil spray that kills the bad germs but replaces it with the good germs, so that you're not like, it's a whole thing. Bay has to cook his eggs. It's a whole thing because, okay, this is actually pretty related to eczema. So when you purchase things, like when you purchase cleaners, a lot of times they are toxic. So the ingredients that are included are toxic. And from there, you're absorbing it through your skin when you touch it. So like, let's say you just wipe down all your counters and then you lay your arms on it. So your skin's now absorbing all of that. So then when you buy something that is like an antibiotic or like antibacterial, you're killing all of the bacteria that lives on a counter. It's a great breeding ground for bad bacteria to take over because there's no good bacteria to fight against it. So by using a probiotic spray, you're cleaning off the bad bacteria and replacing it with good bacteria that's healthy for your body. Hey, this is the first time we've cooked.
Purchased this pot last night from Target.
This is the first time we've cooked since moving to California. It's been 2 weeks.
Yeah.
We just bought a Brita last night because I always tell you guys that don't always trust the water that comes out of your faucets, because a lot of times it has so many chemicals, from chlorine to fluoride. It has copper in it, said Garrett. And so basically we got a Brita to try to filter out some of it, and I additionally use this, and inside of this I keep a little filter to it, and that little filter is called a Go Pure Pod, and it filters my water additionally, and you can use this like at the gym or on the go and all of that. So let me give you a tour of the empty apartment. So this is our kitchen, and I'm excited because I'm gonna be using this kitchen space a lot to film. So basically I'll set the camera up here and shoot into the kitchen, and that's gonna be a lot of fun. You're good.
And it comes fully equipped with a boyfriend.
Yeah, it comes with a boyfriend, which is great, and he can be your cameraman sometimes. And you can cook together. We have a couple series that we're gonna release. I think I've mentioned this in the past, but we're gonna end up creating like this thing where we recreate bad things, so like Taco Bell or a McDonald's, and we're gonna recreate everything but make it super clean. He got his eggy eggs. So the trick for him is he's been eating eggs from Whole Foods. If you go to Whole Foods or like a health food store, you go to the back and
yeah, there's like this one brand I like to eat in particular. Let me see if I can find it really quick for them. This is the better quality version that you can make on your own, but it's pasture raised, Vital Farms. But there's a black box, which is not quite as great. It's not organic, but it still is a quality egg.
Oh, it's the same brand?
Same brand.
Okay, yeah. So he gets this little box of pre-cooked boiled eggs. 6 pre-cooked boiled eggs. And he's been eating those, but now, you know, that he can get those eggs now that we have a place to live and we trust it and all of that. So we're gonna go eat our breakfast. I'm eating avocado on rice cake with sauerkraut. And then I also have walnut butter that I'm spreading on top of the rice cakes too. So, oh wait, I was touring them around. So, okay. So, cute little bathroom. Cute little boyfriend. And then our in-unit washer and dryer. So this is a little baby closet.
That's her closet.
This is my... He's named this my closet because I don't have that many things, like that many clothes. This is like not my stuff in it, but
all
like
of her things right there.
Camera, tripod, fanny pack,
and bear,
and stuffed animal. And then you so it's a studio, and so this is like a different little section, and we're gonna turn that into our living room. This is gonna be our bedroom, but we are actually getting delivered a king size
California king size bed with what, 2 dressers, under bed storage. What else are we gonna get?
So it's 1 dresser, 2 bedside tables. It has
the stand-up thingies, right?
It has a bed frame. Stand-up thingies?
Like the stand, it has like the tall beds that are.
So it's California king frame with storage underneath, 1 dresser, and 2 bedside tables.
Oh yeah, dresser, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Probably 2 dressers.
So basically another big tip that we have for you guys is I've been on Facebook Marketplace and Letgo constantly, and I've been finding so literally we're gonna have a full set, like a full king matching California king set for our bedroom for $400, and the guy's going to deliver it for $400. So that's a major tip. And it's not that, so yes, it saves money, but I'm all about money is abundant, you can get whatever you need. So for me, it's more so okay, we need something fast, we need something that's functional. It's good quality, but we're getting it for, a steal. But the most important part to me is that furniture doesn't go to waste, and we're not, we'll probably end up buying new stuff later on, but for now it's nice that we get to basically recycle and reuse a whole set of really nice things. So check Facebook Marketplace and see what you can find, and there's a lot of steals on there. Okay, now it's breakfast time. Bye guys. We named it Romeo.
And Squishy.
And his nickname is Squishy. All of our plants will be squishies. I look over and realize that my boyfriend is meant for me. He's driving with bananas in both of his hands. Hi guys, checking in for another day. So if you hear something, it's because our dryer's running, and I apologize, but I wanted to pop in and show you guys what I like to eat for breakfast. Well, okay, so usually I eat this as a dessert, but I don't like how I feel very gurgly right before I go to bed. So basically, I just made banana and ice cream and it's in the freezer. And so in that microwave right there, I put together like chocolate, like melted chocolate with coconut oil put together, and I'm gonna drizzle that onto my banana and ice cream and eat it for breakfast, because I think it's gonna do my body better to have the chocolate, which has a tiny bit of caffeine in it, for lunch instead of having it right before I go to bed. I just can't have turmeric. Now it's time for me to take the CBD and ginger shot. So he just took it, Mr. Cameraman. And if you guys didn't know, if you deal with eczema and you can see that it's directly related to stress, you can actually use CBD to counteract the amount of stress that your body goes through. So I'm gonna try this. And how do you pronounce this? It's Solti, right? Yeah, Solti. Okay.
How is it? Sour, right?
It's a shot. So in this is lemon juice, ginger, green apple, hemp-derived CBD, and cayenne pepper. So it has a kick. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the hibiscus, lime, hemp, and tea. And so their whole line isn't about CBD. So they're originally, right? You guys originally started off with these super aids, and so this one is actually my favorite, and you'll probably see it on my Instagram all the time. And it's my favorite. It's the one that has chlorophyll and aloe, but I'm not trying it today because you guys know I like it. Oh, that's very good. Very, very good. So that's hibiscus and lime. That one's a nice sweet one. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Like, yeah, like Gatorade almost.
Yeah, super sweet. Okay, we just stopped by Solti, and it's one of my favorite drinks, and they were so kind as to let me come to their production facility, and we got to just like get a bunch of samples. I'm gonna take a lot of photos for them, and I'm gonna show you guys clips of like us just like trying the different drinks and
checking out the showroom. It was pretty cool.
It was so awesome.
Yeah. You know, like the shots too much, they're a little spicy.
The shots were a little spicy. Yeah, the little shots are like ginger and cayenne pepper shots. And you take them and they just like kick you in the throat.
They do. I liked them. They're a little weird at first, but I liked them.
And then his favorite ended up being this one because we figured out that it has zinc and iron in it. I guess from the charcoal that's derived from coconut.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna go have lunch and he's gonna drink this.
Yes.
And so I think Solti has a new fan.
Yes, they do. I will definitely keep purchasing this.
And then I'm obsessed with the chlorophyll one.
Oh yeah, you've been getting that for like the past couple of days.
Yeah, tastes like lemonade.
And the lady was so nice.
She was so sweet. She was so sweet. She just brought us a bunch of samples, and she was like there to talk to us, and it was so nice of the company to like let us come and take up their time and everything. So it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I like crashing waves.